So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy stocks inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account in Canada on the Wealthsimple application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, first thing you have to do is first off open up an FHSA or a first home savings account, or if you have one already, please open that up. Once you're into the FHSA, it's pretty straightforward. Go to where it says trade, so sort of from the bottom here, where it says trade with the sort of the oval shape with the black background. Press on where it says trade. Now, what you can either do is search up a stock, an ETF, crypto if you want, or what you can do is just go to the browse icon or the magnifying glass sort of from the bottom left, and then you can go to this to the discover screen. So there's stocks here, ETFs, crypto, options, whatever the case may be. So if you wanted to maybe search up just the most active ETFs, you can go ahead and do this. I'll press on more. I'll just use the SPY or SPY, an S&P 500 ETF as a demonstration. You can go ahead to this. You can press on buy at the bottom. You can buy stocks or options. We're just going to go ahead and press on stocks. You can buy the amount of shares that you want if you want a limit buy, or you can go to the top left, press on limit buy, and you can change that to a market buy, a stop limit buy, or a recurring buy, whatever the case may be there. And once that is done, you can review it and add that purchase inside of your FHSA. So make sure you guys are familiar with the rules regarding a first home savings account. But that's how you guys can buy stocks inside of your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.